Hello everyone and Assalamualaikum. My name is Arni Nabila. I hope you are in good mood today because it is a good day to have a good day. First of all, I will introduce you a product which is very viral right now, and I guess you already know, which is Crunchies. You read about Crunchies. It is only a kulit popia, but you can get with 9 flavor that for me it is very unique. The Crunchies also introduced a pushback edition. For pushback, Crunchies introduced 5 flavors. You can enjoy this Crunchies while you're reading, while you watching Netflix with your family member or with your friends, and while you chatting with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend. Just open it and feel the crunch. You don't need to buy something expensive to you to give the happiness for you, but you just need a food and you just need a Crunchies to buy your happiness, and just feel the crunch on your own. Just take a bite and you can feel the happiness. That's all from me, and thank you for watching. Bye.